So now you've learned how to navigate the AI QSRA process flow in the Nodes and Links platform. But every business is different and all experience is different. What I would highly recommend is that you find out from your company what their preferred settings are. I've come across different settings in my experience. For example, on uncertainty distributions, some companies like to stick with a P70 or a P80 position, or they like to stick with an templated plus or minus 10 or 15%, or they like to stick with standardized risk across all of their projects. That is for the company and for you to decide what is best. What you can also decide is how often you want to run an AI QSRA and using what methodology and when those are triggered. So for example, this is the standard flow that we do today. So we assign uncertainty and risk, we run the Monte Carlo simulation, we isolate the drivers for improvement. They can go off, for example, to commercials. Then we send off to the risk team to execute the risk actions. And then after a period of time, we'll run it again. A QSRA process flow that I've seen recently, because of the AI technology, is this, where people aren't summarizing 50,000 line schedules into 500 line because of the AI. They can automatically assign, and because of the automations carrying between the different versions, they run them, and because of those time savings, every single change or every monthly update, they're rerunning the same process because it's as simple as a couple of button clicks. But again, you are the expert. The AI in the system works for you. You can decide what is best.